Welcome to our video, where we'll be diving into the extraordinary and, sadly, critically endangered world of the 8 rarest animals on Earth. These incredible creatures are teetering on the brink of extinction, and their stories highlight the urgent need for conservation efforts worldwide. Let's embark on this journey to uncover the unique characteristics and the dire circumstances of these rare species. 1. The Vaquita, the most endangered marine mammal. First up, we have the Vaquita Phocoena sinus, a small and elusive porpoise found exclusively in the northern part of the Gulf of California, Mexico. With its distinct facial markings and a petite size, the Vaquita is a marine gem. Unfortunately, there are only around 10 individuals remaining in the wild, making it the most endangered marine mammal on the planet. The primary threat to the Vaquita is bycatch and illegal gillnets used for fishing the Totoaba fish, whose swim bladder is highly valued in traditional Chinese medicine. Intensive conservation efforts are underway, but time is running out for this precious porpoise. 2. The Javan Rhino, a few dozen giants left. Next, we turn our attention to the Javan Rhino, Rhinoceros sondaicus, one of the rarest large mammals on Earth. Found only in Ujung Kulon National Park on the island of Java, Indonesia, fewer than 70 individuals are left in the wild. This rhino species is distinguished by its smaller size compared to other rhinos and a single horn. Habitat loss, poaching, and natural disasters pose significant threats to their survival. Despite these challenges, dedicated conservationists are working tirelessly to protect and expand their habitat. 3. Spix's macaw, the bluebird of Brazil. Moving on to the avian world, we have the enchanting Spix's macaw Sinopsida spixi. Known for its brilliant blue feathers, this bird from Brazil has become a symbol of conservation success and failure. Considered extinct in the wild, Spix's macaw survives only in captivity, with reintroduction programs aiming to restore its presence in its natural habitat. The primary causes of its decline were habitat destruction and illegal pet trade. Hope remains that through continued conservation efforts, this vivid blue macaw will once again soar in the wild. For Beiji dolphin, the ghost of the Yangtze River. The Beiji dolphin, Lepos vexillifer, also known as a Chinese river dolphin, once flourished in the Yangtze River. However, rapid industrialization, pollution, and excessive boat traffic have driven this species to the brink of extinction. With no confirmed sightings since 2002, the Beiji is thought to be functionally extinct. The loss of this species serves as a somber reminder of the impact of human activities on freshwater ecosystems. Efforts to protect other river species continue in hopes of preventing further extinctions. 5. Northern white rhinoceros, a race against time. The northern white rhinoceros Ceratotherium simoncotoni is another tragic tale of near extinction. With only 2 females left in the world, the species is on the brink of total extinction. The last male, Sudan, passed away in 2018. Conservationists are employing advanced reproductive technologies, such as in vitro fertilization, using eggs from the remaining females and stored sperm from deceased males in a desperate bid to save the species. This effort represents one of the most ambitious conservation projects in history. 6. Hainan gibbon, the rarest primate. Found in the lush forests of Hainan Island, China, the Hainan gibbon Nomascus hainanus is one of the world's rarest primates. With less than 30 individuals left in the wild, this gibbon species faces critical threats from habitat destruction and fragmentation. Conservation programs are focusing on habitat restoration, anti-poaching measures, and public awareness campaigns to ensure the survival of this highly endangered primate. Their haunting songs, echoing through the forest, serve as a call to action for their protection. 7. Pinta Island tortoise, the legacy of Lonesome George. The Pinta Island tortoise Chelonoidus abingdoni is famously known for Lonesome George, the last known individual of his species. Lonesome George lived in the Galapagos Islands and became a global icon of conservation until his death in 2012, which marked the extinction of his species. His story underscores the importance of preserving the unique biodiversity of the Galapagos Islands and other isolated ecosystems. Efforts continue to study and protect other tortoise species in the Galapagos to prevent similar fates. 8. Sala, the elusive Asian unicorn. Lastly, we have the Sala pseudoryx gettenhensis, often referred to as the Asian unicorn due to its rarity and elusive nature. Discovered only in 1992, the Sala inhabits the An Na media range of Vietnam and Laos. With only a few dozen individuals estimated to remain in the wild, the Sala is critically endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. Conservationists are working to protect its habitat and reduce hunting pressures through community-based conservation initiatives. The Sala's mysterious presence continues to captivate and inspire conservation efforts. In conclusion, the stories of these 8 rarest animals on Earth highlight the critical need for global conservation efforts. The plight of the Vaquita, Javan Rhino, Spix's macaw, Beige dolphin, northern white rhinoceros, Hainan gibbon, Pinta island tortoise, and Sala serves as a poignant reminder of the impact of human activities on biodiversity. By supporting conservation initiatives and raising awareness, we can work together to protect these magnificent creatures and ensure that future generations can marvel at their existence. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and let's continue to strive for a world where these rare animals can thrive once again.